Hello guys, this is Anuprasanna. Welcome to my kitchen today, and this is my first lockdown cooking video which I'm posting in my channel. I hope you all will like this, and as I said, I will be making some easy recipes which will require very less ingredients. I'm not a chef of course, and I won't be using lot of different items. So let's start with the cheese balls today, and I for this we will require Amul cheese block or any cheese whichever you can find in this lockdown. I bought this from online for just rupees 95, and we would require two potatoes which is boiled. This is the cornflakes powder. You can of course use the breadcrumbs if you have that, otherwise even you can use the cornflakes powder by just grinding it and making the powder from it. This is the chili flakes and this is the pepper powder. So we would require the cheese and of course not the entire block. Now it depends on how many members will be eating it. So this is the 200-gram block, and I will be just using half of this block, and out of this entire block I will be just using a small piece 25-gram for mixing, for putting it in the mixture. So now I am just smashing the two potatoes, and once I smash the two potatoes, let us add the ingredients whichever we require, all the spices. So so now first we have to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which I already have the ready-made one. Little bit of salt, sprinkle it in your potato mixture, some chili flakes and some pepper in it. So when you add all this, mix it properly, and then a small block which I mentioned 25-gram of cheese. So even we have to add 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. If you don't have it, you can even use the rice powder as well. So now let us grate this 25-gram of cheese block, a small block in this mixture, and then when you grate it in this mixture, we will mix it properly, and then we have to make round balls for the cheese balls. So this is the cheese which I grated. You will understand why I have done this, for the filling in the cheese balls. Okay. So now we are making the balls. So don't make the entire ball, because once the ball is created, we have to flatten that. Okay, the reason why we have to flatten it is we have to fill the cheese in it. Okay, the same way which I am doing now. And once you flatten it, put the cheese in it depending on how much cheesy you want, and then once the cheese is filled, make the proper balls, and then you can see all these are the cheese filled balls. So my cheese balls are ready now, and now let us have a new bowl in which we will take 2 tablespoon of all purpose flour, that is maida. Add some water in it, and we have to make a thin batter out of it. And then, so let's heat the pan, the kadai, and put some oil in it, so that we have to fry this. So this is, let's take some of the breadcrumbs in a different plate, because if you just dip that balls directly in that bowl, then it will become wet and it will go waste. So we have to put this cheese ball, I mean the balls which we made, in the maida mixture, and then we have to put it in the breadcrumbs entirely. Let's So this ball should be entirely covered by the breadcrumbs, and then we have to do the same procedure for each and every balls which are being ready, and then we will fry that in the pan. We have to put that in the oil, and let's fry the cheese balls. So don't fry it too much, and don't it should be this color which you all can see. And can you see, it looks so cheesy. Even you can see the cheese fillings are little bit, you can see it from the outside. So this time I made the cheese balls with less ingredients. If you have some oregano, everything, you can surely put it, but whatever ingredients I used, even in that less ingredients, this cheese balls taste is fantastic. It is looking good. So we will now taste and see how actually it is, and is it really very cheesy or not. So we will show you now how much cheesy it is. Can you see the cheese? Right, you can see I have not put lot of cheese, as well as I have not used that much. I have only used half the block and two potatoes. So Even then, these cheese balls are looking so cheesy. It is really tasting very yummy. You can surely try this recipe, guys. It won't take more than 30 minutes for doing the entire procedure. In fact, you won't even require 30 minutes. The only suggestion to you guys is use less potatoes, maybe just one, and try to use more cheese if you really like cheese balls to be more cheesy. Other than that, everything was perfect, yummy. The best food to make in the lockdown and enjoy. And thank you all for watching this new version of my videos in my channel. I hope you all will support this. Do subscribe, like, and do give your comments. Thank you.